Have you lost an expensive necklace in a washing machine? Let me show you how to fetch it out. All you need is a 1/4-inch nut driver. This is a Whirlpool washing machine. I'll post the model number in the description. Don't get mad. Just get the necklace back. Very easy. They come out like butter. This is a Klein tool. I got it back when I was an electrician.
How to remove easy.
I'm too dumb to do electrical stuff, so now I just do
In the water.
carpet. This stuff is too much of a puzzle. Easy now. Then just this sort of thing. It's getting kind of full.
Oh shit.
And look it. It's that easy. Wada bing, wada boom. Best video on YouTube. Well, look at what else we found. We got this guy. See, check it out. We got some coins, some lint. So it's good to check out, guys, if the machine's making noise.
I told you, you should listen.
I listened. What are you talking about?
Oh my god, babe. This is the right time?
You did it, babe.
This is the right?
You did it.
Where did I sew a pero? Here.
It's good to empty that too. I bet that shit was just nasty, stinky. You know, like you got water that just doesn't escape much, maybe. So like, yeah. I mean, I would suggest just doing that just to do it.
Me. That's easy. You know, assemble all this. Symbol your.
What are you talking about? I wasn't gonna do that. Oh.
Gonna assemble. Make sure that it's too tight.
It's good. It's tight. Wow. And now hand me that thing again.